Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a new subscription box. This is called My Christmas Crate, and you can find it online if you just go to My Christmas Crate. And they send a monthly subscription of Christmas stuff every year, or every month. And I don't know, I sometimes I struggle with Christmas, so I'm trying to get into it a little bit early. And when I saw this, I thought, you know what, maybe this will help me feel, I don't know, happy and excited about Christmas. So I thought I'd go ahead and try it out. So I only got a month, and we'll check and see how it looks. The countdown to Christmas 2018 has begun. Christmas morning soy candle. Oh, looks like it tells us what we got, so I'm not going to look yet. I'm going to open it up, give you first impressions. This is very nice. The box is very nice. I like how this looks. I don't know why I try to open this carefully. I end up just throwing it all away, but I like it to be pretty. Okay. Oh, goodness. This says New Fallen Snow, and it's a Christmas planning journal. You know I'm all about that. And I know I should tell you the price of this, and I would if I could remember. I want to say it was $30, so I'm not sure. I like the color of this twine. That's really pretty. New Fallen Snow, year-round Christmas planning and holiday home inspiration. New Fallen Snow small shop featuring paper crafts and planners. And that's the name of the store, I guess, is New Fallen Snow. So this is really pretty. Let's get started. Welcome to your New Fallen Snow Christmas Planning Journal. Within these pages, you will find the key successful holiday planning, helping you return to your fa-la-la. Planning begins right now. And it tells you all of the great things that it has. So what worked well, next year to do, next year do less, favorite moment, what needs improving, Christmas Eve plans, Christmas Day plans, Advent, your activity or item for Advent, shop, reserve, have, baking, there's recipes, storage used, quantity gifted, notes for next year, alterations, batches, and there's pages for that. And then here's crafts, craft name, quantity, supplies and shopping list, craft gift list, how-to instruction locations, notes, completed, packed, wrapped. And there's a couple pages for those. And then cards, recipient, sent, received, change, total number of cards sent, total postage cost, number of stamps remaining, number of boxed cards needed, specialty cards needed. And it has place for 36 cards, and it says card ideas for next year. And then here's decorations, and you can put the room and the placement notes, decorations in need of repair or replacement, new purchases to be made, reference photo, file location. And there's a couple pages for that. Purchases, item, future use, stored, located, items to pick up for next year, and displays, address or location, rating, give or take, very cool, must see, display date, note, supplies to pack, hot cocoa, Christmas music, blankets, PJs, cookies, route notes. So that's kind of cute when you go to look at different places. Gifting, recipient, gift idea, budget, purchased, wrapped, successes, avoid, wish list, items, location, size, color, style, quantity, purchased and wrapped, behavioral notes, dearest, blah, 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 with love, blah, blah, blah. And then here's a calendar, and it tells you some things that might be a good thing to do. Fill out the Christmas journal to lock away ideas, then mend January and decorate the house, clean and pack away throughout the year, listen for gifts ideas, August, September-ish, which is coming right up, purchase gift with the goal of shopping completion by November 1st, craft store stock holiday crafting supplies, cash and credit card rewards for gift cards, and then October, locate and fill out holiday cards, buy stamps, decorate or decide on crafts, wrapping paper, review, plan advent, so kind of cute, and then some notes, and then resources, and these are like all different ways to get ideas. And then here is the author, Allison Bumbush. So very cool. I think I will use this. I like that it's compact and it's all in one spot, and I love how beautiful it is. So that's kind of neat. I'm going to give that a try. I have used my bullet journal before to do some stuff like this, and then of course I've made a December daily, and I don't know, I've tried all sorts of different things, and now that my kids are older, it's not as exciting, I guess is the right word. I don't know. So I'm going to, maybe I'll try this. Maybe this will be all that I need for this time. And Fab, Farmer and the Bell. She must be the bell. And these are candles, it looks like. So I'm assuming we'll get a candle in here, especially since I read it in that thing. Maybe this is it. Oh, it looks beautiful. I love this. Yes, Farmer and the Bell, hand-poured home fragrances. You know I love me some candles. Christmas Morning is the scent that I got. Oh, and it's a wood wick. Oh my gosh, it smells wonderful. Oh, it's like pine. Yes, cinnamon, and it's just beautiful, and it feels really nice. Oh, goodness. Now this is definitely right up my alley. This is a wonderful smell. I love it. Looks like we got coffee and tea cake mix, chocolate peppermint. Enjoy with a cup of coffee or hot cocoa. Let's see, it makes 16 servings and 150 calories prepared. This is 0 fat, which is interesting, because then it says 8% over here, which I don't understand. 22 carbs, less than 1 gram of protein, or 1 gram of fiber, and 1 gram of protein. So it's definitely not healthy, but you will need 3/4 cup milk, 1/3 cup of eggs or of oil, and 2 eggs. You bake it in a loaf pan, and yeah, and that is it. Chocolate peppermint. It does look really good. 11 grams of sugar. Looks really good. I think that my kids will love that. What is this? Oh my goodness. Handmade soap, apple cider, and sage. I love handmade soap, but I don't use it enough. So I'm going to go ahead and open it because I want to use it. And sometimes I have a bad habit of keeping things thinking, oh, I'll use it later, or maybe I'll give it to someone else because I think it's too special for me to use. So I don't know if any of you guys do that. But I'm like, I don't need it right now. It's too special to open right now or whatever. But I'm going to open this because then maybe I will use it. Oh, it does smell really good. Apple cider and sage. I smell the sage. I'm not sure I smell the apple cider yet. Smells really good. Maybe I smell apple and sage. Oh, but it does smell really good. I think I'm going to leave it in this package, but I am definitely going to use it. I think I'm going to take it to my bathroom downstairs so that other people can use it too, but at least I'm using it. And then it looks like one final thing. This box is cute. What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a watch! And it says snow on it, and it has Santa Claus. Isn't that cute? Aww. And the wristband is very soft. It has rose gold. It's kind of a larger green. I don't know what to call it. Aww. It's very cute. So that is what I got in my box. Let's see what... Now that I've opened it, let's see what this says. So, Christmas Morning Wax Candle by Farm & Belle, 100% soy wax, hand-poured, small batch candle. You can find that at farmerandbelle.com. Chocolate peppermint coffee cake, a cup of joe, a piping hot chocolate, a cold winter day, a slice of this chocolate peppermint heaven, and you will have the makings for a wonderful day. This can be found at theinvisiblechef.com. Plan ahead and find time for presents. Designed letterpress, letterpress printed, hand-bound Christmas planning journey by New Fallen Snow. Again at new/fallensnow.com. And then a rose gold Santa watch with melon strap that will keep you on track and ready for the big guy's arrival. Perfect for summer, winter, and fall seasons. You can find that at mychristmascrate.com. So you can buy things separately too at My Christmas Crate. But that is awesome. I am really enjoying this, and it makes me smile. So that in itself makes me very happy. So thank you guys. I hope that you guys are inspired to maybe start enjoying the holidays early and checking it out to see what you can get involved in and enjoy. I think that that's part of my problem sometimes. Christmas is sometimes not a joyful time for me, so I need to take the time to enjoy Christmas, and I'm hoping that this helps me do that. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.